black pepper squid stir fry or black pepper calamari stir fry. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the squid recipes and one of the most unique of the calamari recipes and one of the most delicious of the seafood recipes and one of the most unique of the fried recipes and one of the most delicious of the side dish recipes and one of the most delicious of the street food recipes. Today we are going to make pepper squid stir fry. We've taken around 300 grams of squid, cleaned and cut in pieces. Next ingredients are 1 15, 15 grams of ginger, around 20 to 30 shallots, 2 green chillies, 15 grams of garlic, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Salt that. Release all the shallots. Put in the garlic. Salt the garlic. put in the ginger. Keep on sauteing. Saute thoroughly. Until the shallots become golden color. Now put in a spoon of mixture spices, the quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix, thoroughly saute mix. Put in the tomato paste. Saute. Thoroughly saute. Put in salt to taste. Saute thoroughly. Crush the tomatoes. Now put in the squid. Salt. Salt thoroughly and mix. Now put in the black pepper powder and chili powder, a spoon. Mix. Thoroughly saute and mix for 3 to 5 minutes in high heat. Overcooking for more than that time will make the squid stringy. Put in the green chili, salt, thoroughly mix, and let the mixture cook for 3 to 5 minutes in high heat. 2 to 3 to 4 minutes. Put in some curry leaves, salt, and let it cook for 1 more minute, and take off the flame and serve. Now the pepper squid stir fry is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper squid stir fry. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the squid recipes and one of the most unique of the calamari recipes and one of the most delicious of the stir fry recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried recipes and one of the most delicious of the seafood recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.